You could say, why drive all the way from Belgium to here? Is there nothing in Holland, Belgium, or close by in France? But I like the way of working.
Han har skrevet bøger om heste og deres psykologi. De er oversat til de fleste hovedsprog, og på internettet kan man se ham træne og demonstrere sine teorier om heste i praksis.
I saw his movies on YouTube and I thought that's the one I'm looking for. So yeah.
Det handler om, hvordan mennesket kan arbejde med heste uden brug af magt og tvang. Koen fra Belgien har fået mulighed for at tage sin egen hest med.
It was an opportunity for me because you see all the participants here and only 5 horses were allowed. So on 60 people, you're lucky.
Med det samme for Koen at vide, at det har en konsekvens at trække i hesten og ikke vise den opmærksomhed og læse den signaler.
And if the horse wants to pull you around, he simply can do it.
Og da Koen tager rebet af hesten, viser det sig også med det samme, at den gerne vil noget helt andet. Set med Hempflings øjne har Koens hest de samme problemer, som man finder hos mange andre.
The horse is just simply starting to refuse against proposals or demandings from humans, and this means that they are step by step, day by day, dying a little bit. And this has been the effect what I try to do with this horse, to make him much more reacting on soft signals.
I can say, whoa, look, what is this? This is scary. He's about to kick.
You can go to a course anywhere in the world. Like I said, there are in Belgium everywhere. And what they do most of the time is learn you tricks how to get along with the horse. But then you get another horse and it doesn't work because you're working with tricks.
Så forsøger Hempfling at få hestens opmærksomhed på en positiv måde, og samtidig vise, at det er ham, der bestemmer.
He works different. It's not just a bunch of tricks. It's being yourself and then see how the horse reacts and work on from there on. And it's a huge difference.
Og med et begynder hesten at følge Claus Hempfling.
Yesterday I said that we will find very, very, very quick the right key. The way how the horse is approaching me now is different than he did it to Koen. I'm very important, and he shows me and you and us that he's very, very interested in what I'm doing. Combining the parent danger object with such a strong appearance of the person opens the door to a different habit. Now.
Som ung læste Claus Hempfling til ingeniør i telekommunikation, men han begyndte at arbejde som kunstner og blev universitetslærer. Indtil han i en sen alder en dag købte en hest, så skete der noget.
And like my dog, like my sheep, like my cat, they are running behind me. So the horse was running behind me. So I was running around the village and people said, why is your horse running behind you? And I said, why not? And then I realized, well, something is different because I had an approach like a child to the horses. Out of the myths, out of the stories, out of these fantasies of a child in a way.
And the horse was relaxed. Although in the beginning I was very nervous. That's why I said when I would have gone in with my potential inside, I wouldn't have gone in.
Hesten søger nu Claus, og ikke længere skræmt af sadlen.
What I do have in my hand can't be dangerous, and we are in the middle of a communication.
Men egentlig handler Claus Hempflings undervisning ikke mest om hestene, men i langt højere grad om at være menneske og at være i kontrol.
I'm not selling riding classes.
Kursisterne oplever selv, hvordan deres heste spejler det, de gør som mennesker.
When I'm a little bit frustrated or something, or just tired and I'm not really feeling like working, I can tell that my horse is all right. Okay, you're not into it, then I'm definitely not into it. So it's really like that, yeah.
He's like a dreamer in between. When he's then leaving, when he's going, then he's suddenly in his world. And this we have to step by step change to help him to become really bored.
He's always like that. He's my mirror. I'm the same. I can be focused, and 2 minutes later I can be in trance, and it's just the same.
You would like to have for a while the saddle cut?
what he's doing in my eye is like a lot of Zen master and sword fighters, and it's being centered. And I think that's the most difficult thing for him to see, and that's what he explains in his books. For him, it's so logical to be inside your body all the time, to be aware of the slightest movement of your fingers. Is that bringing that over to the other persons? I think that is his main task.
Ganz gut gemacht. Das hast du ganz super gemacht.